This is Trucker Brown and welcome to TB Roadshow, and I'm going to be backing this puppy into the parking space at a truck stop. This is how to back a semi-truck. In a very gorgeous state, which is Arizona, and this is not a very hard backing situation. No one's even really here yet, but I definitely want to set the cameras up so you can see me back it in. Just in case you're a rookie and you've never seen this done before, or if you just want to watch it and you're an old dude and want to critique me and go in the comments and tell me that I suck. Whatever you want to do, I'm here for you. Make sure you subscribe and let's get this show on the road. All right. Let's do this. Now, I'm not the best, I'm terrible at backing, to be honest with you. I'm a flatbedder by trade, starting in the game. So, I've probably been seriously backing for about 5-6 months. The main thing I realized is all about setup. You know, I like to get my rear tandems as close as possible to what I'm backing into. And that's usually how I do it. I put my drives in front of the space I'm trying to go to, do a hard right, and try to put it in the hole, pretty much. Hard right. This was beautiful. And I put her right on in. I try to make sure that my back tandem's looking out of my left side is touching that yellow line. That usually means you're not gonna hit what's on the other side, but it's not a guarantee. I do suggest you get out and look every time you back. Something people, they get complacent and don't do. I want my back tandems on that line. I'm gonna snug to that line the best way I can. Straighten up, up, going over a little bit. Then I gotta pull up. Do not be afraid to pull up, people. Not pulling up and thinking that is something that is special. It's just what we do for a badge of honor. It's more super trucker crap. Pull up, put yourself in the position the best way you can, and when you get in the hole safely, there you go. Put yourself in the hole as safe as possible, and you, boom. You pretty much go from there, and I'm in the hole. That wasn't very tight. I will do a tighter one. Let's run back here real quick. I'm gonna run back here and see exactly how much fuel I got, because I may have to run you through the fuel out and do this again. No, I got half a tank, so let's ride up there and get some fuel. You know, and I basically, you know, backing, to me, I'm not a sport backer where I take an immense pride in getting it in the hole. I'm more of a paycheck trucker. If I can get it in the hole, it's successful, and that's pretty much how that goes. My boy Money Green Dean. Yeah, I'm not a sport backer, man. I back enough to always wear your seatbelt, people. I back enough to do the job and get the paycheck. You know, that's pretty much what I'm about. I believe this trucking thing is to get you paid and put your family in a better situation. I don't get involved in the pissing contest. y'all know me, I'm heavily transparent. I'm not the best backer. I ain't even the best shifter. And I don't mind showing y'all that I'm not the best. And that's just how I am. All right, let's pull into here and get some fuel. Pull into here and get some fuel. Which one of these are open? Get some fuel, straighten her out a little bit. On my Kenworth, I like to have my catwalk right even. Boop. And that's that. Let me run out of here. Get some fuel. Right now, I'm about to do a pull through. Then back in, now I'm going to do a pull through if there's an available slot. Working the truck stop is pretty simple, man. You can do pull throughs. You know, I was taught it's better to pull through. The less vacuum you do, the less chance you're going to have for an accident. Man, I've seen people mess up pulling through. You know, I overshoot it, come back around to the middle,